G'day LSR people. Today we're over here at Amy Anderson Reserve, Hill End, New South Wales. Going fishing in the river. Got both of the rods out, chilling around, waiting for something bites and some fish. Chilling out, got my tackle box, chairs. Come over here. It's a bit of a hike to get through. Over here, we've got Tate, one of the LSR members. Over here we've got Tate, another LSR member. Going fishing as well.
Yeah, got the ugly stick.
Yeah, he's got his ugly stick.
I got my tackle box behind there.
Got his tackle box. Got all his tools in it. You reckon we're going to catch something today, Tate?
Good chance.
Yeah, it's a pretty good spot, eh?
50-50.
Nice weather today. So yeah, doing pretty good.